Hello guys, it's me again, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing a mechanical keyboard. It's Geezer's keyboard. It's GS4 version. You can get it on Amazon for £45, and it's a short body design keyboard, which means it doesn't have number keys on the right side. So I guess that's it. Let's start unboxing it. So let's see what we got inside. And you guys, if you don't know the difference between mechanical keyboard and a regular keyboard, it's like a mechanical keyboard, actually you got these physical switches underneath the keys, and in a regular keyboard under the keys you got this rubber dome. So yeah, mechanical keyboard is way more better. So okay, let's see. It looks very nice. It looks very nice. I really like this short body design keyboard. Actually, it's my first keyboard which is with a short body design, and it looks nice. I don't know how it's gonna feel while gaming, because definitely it's gonna be a little bit strange without this side of num keys, but it looks nice, and you can feel that it's actually a mechanical keyboard even just by pressing the keys. It gives very nice sound, just like usually, like mechanical keyboards do. So yeah, I will try to type my name and my full name, and let's see how it sounds. Yeah, it sounds very nice. So we have USB cable, some instructions, visit card, and we have this thing for removing the keys. So let's try it out. How it's supposed to be like. Yes, and you just take out the key. So you can see it's mechanical keyboard, as you can see. Alright, let's connect this keyboard and let's see how it looks like powered on. Alright, the keyboard is on, and yeah, it's got some nice light options. As you can see, there are lots of different light options. You can make them go faster or slower. You can choose from different options. Where is my favorite one? No. Alright, let's say you can control intensity of lights. So yeah, you have the full control. The lights looks very nice. The keyboard itself looks pretty nice. I really like its compact look. So it's kind of heavy. You can feel like it's made out of high quality of materials. This body part is made of some kind of metal, aluminum, I guess. Yeah, probably. So if you are looking for a mechanical keyboard, this might be a really good choice, especially if you like the compact design like I do. So I'm totally not missing these number keys on the right side, so it looks just great. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my video, and if my if my unboxing was helpful to you and you liked it, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on the next videos. Bye guys.